Being able to document the story of San Antonio, the stories of individuals, companies, nonprofits, the city in itself, but also the development of companies like us who chose to stay in San Antonio, start a business in San Antonio, and be successful in San Antonio.
How's it going, y'all? It's your boy, JRG, John Garcia, Program Manager here at Geekdom. I'm super excited about this episode of Geekdom Stories. White Cloud is a tremendous asset to our community because they're helping us tell the story of our mission, which is to build San Antonio one startup at a time. We're gonna learn about Adam Dusenberry and Elizabeth Reiser with White Cloud. Now let's get into it. Let's check out White Cloud.
When drones became both affordable and accessible 10 to 15 years ago, I thought, how cool would it be to be able to document the revitalization and urban development of downtown San Antonio? I was always fascinated by the first aerial photos taken of the city, especially the ones on display in the base of the Tower of America's building. From 2016 to 2019, the drone market was being consumed by large-scale corporations in Silicon Valley and forced us to reevaluate really what was working for us and what wasn't. The market literally told us what they were willing to spend money on us for. So in 2020, we began to drift away from White Cloud Drones and more to White Cloud Media Group.
It's one of those things that, from a grit perspective, you've got to have something to hang on to. You have to have a single line of focus. And watching Adam develop his leadership and his vision and really, honestly, assert his will on the situations that were happening and finding the right people like Elizabeth and many of the others that have worked there, from interns to full-time to contractors, to help make that a reality and find stability amidst all of that roller coaster back and forth has been fantastic.
I think a huge pivotal point of the growth of the business is when Adam brought Elizabeth on the team. And not only is she's just amazing to work with and just a great person in the community, she really helped us with our scheduling, reaching out to members of the community to film, and always has everything that we need ready to go. I mean, Adam's cool, but he needed Elizabeth, right? And so once she came onto the team, I feel like it really took the company to the next level.
Oh, okay.
It's a bright light.
It is a pretty bright light. Yeah, they're about to record on the thing. You guys need us to
Speak.
It's just me.
Oh.
Can you say something?
Hello? First several months working at White Cloud in a business development role, kind of saw it as an opportunity to learn everything you would in business school without having to go to business school. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And White Cloud at that time was an opportunity to build something that hadn't been built yet. I was able to come in, determine kind of the processes and things that needed to be created and put in place for us to grow and develop. And I don't think I would have found that opportunity anywhere else. And I'm really grateful that I took the leap of faith that I did.
Having Elizabeth helped me realize that drones was actually hurting our ability to sell and tell our story. That rebrand going into January of 2022, new look, new logo, new website, it helped everyone understand this is what we do, this is why we do it, and this is what we're really good at doing. And so far, so good.
Throughout our evolution, we've always been able to rely on the Geekdom staff. Philip, Charles, and John in particular have always been steadfast in their support and their offering of guidance and direction. That's just a testament to Geekdom. Me personally, I don't think White Cloud could have evolved and survived some of the hardships that we have without a community like Geekdom.
Yeah, are you kidding me? Of course, dude.
All right, real quick, Charles, I have a couple questions for you.
Let me hear it.
How great was tonight?
Tonight was amazing.
It's very difficult to create a platform for success for yourself. Over time, you learn how to grab the microphone, put the light on you, step in and, shine. It is quite another thing altogether when you make it your business to create a platform for others and to shine that light on others and their stories of success. Having that back and forth and having that trusted partner to have there to be able to tag in and to be able to work and say, we're both in the business of amplifying businesses' voices and individual stories. And so when you unite those two things, it creates just a wealth of opportunity for the future for the community.
The founder and CEO.
Geekdom has always provided us the opportunity to work with an extremely diverse set of businesses, working with Broston Homes, Big Sun Solar, Allison's, Betty's Co., Shaw IP, now Outlier Patent Attorneys, David Jones at DJ Law Partners, and all of the awesome creatives like Gabriel Garcia and his group with SA Creatives has become a journey to remember and be extremely grateful for.
I truly mean this from the bottom of my heart. It's been an amazing experience working with Whitecloud. And if you want to throw this in at the end, if you need video production help or any creative help, what are you doing? Hire Whitecloud. Hit them up. Do one of these on the website. Check them out on social media. Follow. It's been great, and you will not regret it because they're awesome.